We will guide you through how to open Miro in view only. Quick disclaimer, skipping a single step will affect your final result, so you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, turn on your computer and connect to a stable internet connection before beginning the process. Open your preferred web browser and visit the Miro website. Sign into your Miro account if you already have one. Then wait for the Miro dashboard or workspace to load completely. Once the dashboard is ready, locate the Miro board that you want to open in view-only mode. Open the selected board and wait for its content to load completely before changing or checking its access settings. Next, locate the Share button near the upper right corner of the board. Click Share to open the board's sharing and access settings. When the sharing panel appears, look for the section that controls access permissions for the board. Find the option that allows you to set a user's access level. Review the available permission choices carefully and select Can View or the equivalent View-Only permission. This setting allows the selected person to view the board without giving them permission to edit its content. After setting the appropriate permission, copy the board link if you want to send the view-only board to the person directly. Make sure you copy the correct link associated with the board so the recipient can access the intended content. Open another platform where you want to share the board link, such as an email application, messaging service, or other communication tool. Paste the copied Miro board link into the message field. Before sending the message, check that the link was pasted correctly and that no extra characters were accidentally added. Wait for the link to be sent successfully through the selected platform. After sending it, return to the Miro sharing settings and verify that the Can View permission is still enabled. Keeping this permission active ensures that the board remains available